In this problem, we are told that there is a line n which passes through the point 1, 2 and has a negative slope. Since it has a negative slope, it forms some angle theta with respect to the horizontal, such that 0 is less than theta is less than 90 degrees. Any line P perpendicular to line N would have to have a slope that would be in the direction of the arrow shown. Therefore, line P would have to form some angle beta with respect to the horizontal. And since theta plus beta equals 90, because the line P is perpendicular by definition, we know that beta also must be between 0 and 90 degrees. Since beta must be between 0 and 90 degrees, we know that line P must have a positive slope. It does not have to pass through the point 1, 2. If it passed through this point, it would have a positive y-intercept, and it would also have a negative x-intercept. Therefore, of the choices given, the only choice that must be true is that line P must have a positive slope.